It's Mark from the Dog Wizard in Nashville, Tennessee. This is our newest 14-day jumpstart. This is Ned. Ned's a mixed breed pup. Comes here mostly like puppy issues. He's pulling on a leash pretty good. Not much of a jumper, at least not with me. He's been pretty afraid of me. He's been here for 3 days now. And this is the first time that he's come out nicely. Tail wagging, by what I mean by that. No aggression really towards me. He's been scared. So when he came to me, that's the way he was. And take him out a couple times to go to the bathroom while he's here, same kind of issue. So he's very nervous, super sweet dog, and we just got to get him past that. So we're going to teach him some manners. We're also going to get him socialized so he's not afraid of people in general. Huh, baby? Nice dog. Come here, Ned. Come on, baby. You're a good boy. Can you do this? Can you get in here? What do you think? Place? Can you do this? Can you do place? Huh? No? Okay, baby boy. Ned, come on, sit. Can we sit? Ned, sit. Sit, little buddy. No. Down. No. Okay. Too much. Too much for him. As you can see, he's very nervous, but he's a sweet dog. He'll be all right. Huh? Yes. So check back in 14 days, see how his progress goes. Hey. Good boy, Ned. That's a good boy. Good boy, little buddy. Hi. Hello. Good boy. Good boy, little buddy. Good boy. Good boy.
My grandmama worked on a factory floor, sewing leather for minimum wage, while my granddaddy worked all the beer joints in town, trying to forget the memories he made. Because when Daddy was born in 1945, we'd been fighting for what we believed. Along with 5 other brothers who stood by his side, they were ready, they were willing to bleed. Red, white, and blue, those colors mean something, those colors stay true. Like my family before me, I feel it too. The blood that's in my veins runs red, white, and blue. My daddy grew up on the wrong side of poor, rubbing nickels together for heat. Well, he and his sister, they barely got by with the clothes and the shoes on their feet. So he joined the service when he was 18, like his daddy and his uncles before. He was ready to die for what he believed, to fight for what's worth fighting for. Red, white, and blue, those colors mean something, those colors stay true. Like my family before me, I feel it too. The blood that's in my veins runs red, white, and blue. sisters, got kids of our own, and my brother's coming up on 16. And my daddy taught us all how to live off the land, and how to stand up for what we believe. Red, white, and blue, those colors mean something, those colors stay true. Like my family before me, I feel it too. The blood that's in my veins runs red, white, and blue. Like my family before me, I feel it too. The blood that's in my veins runs red, white, and blue. Blood that's in my veins runs red, white, and